Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to get a gift card for Cider. First of all, open up the bougiecoupons.com site. From its site, you'll be able to find any gift card you want. Once you get into its site, click on the search bar. Then search here for Cider. Now, you will be able to see Cider gift cards in here. So simply click on it and you will find so many coupons and deals here. Now you can use any of the following coupons or gift cards from here. All you need to do is simply click on Show Coupon Code. Then click to unlock the code. Now, it will ask you to please complete one free offer to get your IC promo code. After that, you'll be able to use that Cider code anywhere you want. When purchasing a gift card, make sure to check the terms and conditions, including the expiration date and any fees associated with the card. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.